Hi grade 7. This is the third video. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so now let's start make the third project. It's also fun. So let's see what are we going to do and then try it at home. Okay, the third project is about inserting two characters. For example, a fairy and a bat. Okay, change the stage background. Uh, Make the fairy changes costumes and say to the bat, hello, you said you can calculate fast, so tell me, 32 multiplied by 6 equals what? Make the bat change costumes, then make it calculate and say the result, and if the number is greater than 50, the bat will say, yay, I'm fast. How to do this? Okay, so in here, first we are going to delete this character from here. We are going to insert fairy and a bat from fantasy in here, a fairy. Also we are going to add a bat like this. Okay, two characters from here. Then we are going to change the background to what? As you can see in here, for example, which house? Okay, first we are going to make the characters smaller, so select like this and select, then from here make it smaller. Okay, like this, because it's a fairy, it should be small. Okay, and the bat from here we are going to make it also a little bit smaller, like this. Okay, we are going to make it stand in here, as you can see. Okay, now we want the fairy to change costumes and say those stuff. Okay, how to do this? First, from code right here, we are going to use when space key pressed, and also we are going to use the repeat to change costumes, and from looks in here we are going to use next costume. Okay, we are going to make it, for example, for 10 times. Then we are going to use wait, in control, wait is your point too, not a long time. Okay, these stuff we already knew. Okay, the new in the fairy we're not going to make something new for us. We are going to use a say, and we are going to use broadcast. Okay, so say hello, I'm going to add here hello bat, for 1 second only, for 1 second. Then also we are going to say in here, you said you can calculate fast, so tell me, exclamation mark, for 2 seconds so that you can read, you have the time to read. 32 multiplied by 6 equals what? What? Okay, for 2 seconds also. Then when this character finishes the things that it's going to say, for this character, for the second character to be able to know when it should calculate and start doing its part, there's something called, and we talked about it in the first video, called a broadcast. Okay, broadcast, it means that this character sends a message to this, to the second one, that it finishes its part. Okay, from here we are going to say, for example, the message will be calculate. Okay, so in the bat we are going to use, when I receive calculate, okay, when I receive calculate, I'm going to say what? So this character should calculate 32 multiply 6 and say the result. How to do this? We are going in here, we use a new thing called operators. How to do this? From here, as you can see, this plus, minus, multiplication and division. We are going to use multiplication in here. As you can see, it's rounded from here to be able to, so that we can put it in this place. In here we are going to write 32, and in here we are going to write 6. Okay, this way it's going to calculate. Okay, but first I need the bat, before it calculates, I need it to change customs. How to do this? It's easy, as we learned before. From events, when space key pressed, repeat. From here, next custom. Okay, wait. Also 0.2 seconds, not a long time. Okay, and it will keep changing customs until it receives the message calculate from this character. Then it will calculate both numbers. Okay, but I need something else after calculation. Then make it calculate and say the result. And if the number is greater than 50, the bat will say, yay, I'm fast. How to do this? We are going to use if then. If. Okay. Greater than 50. We're going to also use this in here. Two operators inside each other. 32 multiply 6 is greater than 50. The bat will say, we'll say here, yay, I'm fast. Okay, for 2 seconds. Now, as you can see in here, in the in the fairy, we made it change customs. Then we made it say, hello bat, you said you can calculate fast, to tell me 32 multiplied by 6 equals what? Then this character will send a message to the second one to calculate. Okay, broadcast calculate. The bat will change customs and keep doing this until he receives the message calculate. Then it will calculate the two numbers that I told him to do for 2 seconds. And if the result of these two numbers is greater than 50, the bat will say, yay, I'm fast. Okay, so now let's try it. As you can see in here, yay, I'm fast. So this video will learn how to use operators for calculating and in the if statement, and how to put operators inside each other. Okay, so this is our video. Please try it at home and have fun. You're gonna have a lot of fun if you tried it. You can change a lot of things if you want. So okay, try it at home. Thank you.